Hello and welcome to have a preview of one of our interesting and useful feature in Acheron MPM, a comprehensive media project management solution. My name is Gunalan Selvam and I am responsible for product management and innovation in Acheron. In this video, you would be experiencing Acheron MPM as a campaign manager, creative designer and reviewer and finding simple ways of using this product effectively to your advantage. To understand the concepts explained in this demo, you need to be familiar with using Acheron MPM. As a part of this demo, I will be taking you through a slightly complex business case where your organization requires you as a project manager to deliver a marketing media to showcase a new product along with new trendy branding on it. For that, you need two different content to be available to the layout designers, which would be the branding style and images of the new product. With that, the layout team can give you what the organization needs. Now, as a project manager, you know that the branding style should come from a separate internal team and the product pictures should come from an external agency. These have to be reviewed by branding managers and product managers within your organization. You really are not sure of how many variants in branding would be made by your internal team and also how many pictures would be shared by the external agency. So while creating the project, you create one task for branding styles and assign it to the internal team with options to upload multiple media. And similarly, for the product pictures, you create a separate task and assign it to the external agency with option of uploading multiple media. You also assign respective reviewers who can finalize and select branding style and pictures to be used by the layout team for designing the final media. You create another task for the layout team and provide options of uploading multiple media which would be reviewed by the final approving authority and given for downstream publishing. Now, this task would not start or become active until the previous tasks are completed. Just to have a look at the dependency link, you will be able to see that the publishing is dependent on layout team uploading final content, which is in turn dependent on branding styles and graphic being finalized by the respective reviewers, which is further dependent on the branding style designer and graphic designer uploading relevant variants for selection or approval. Anywhere in this link, if the workflow doesn't move forward due to incomplete fulfillment, then the final publishing is going to get delayed. Let's have a look at the challenges in this complex workflow. Now, as a project manager, during the project planning phase, there are chances that he or she does not have a clear idea on how many deliverables would be uploaded by the designer or external agency. So, while creating the tasks, the project manager would be adding multiple deliverables to the upload task. Later, when the project kicks off, the designer or external agency may upload only 2 or 3 media against their task, leaving a few deliverables empty. The workflow would require completeness of all deliverable to proceed to the next task. Hence, if certain deliverables are not uploaded or reviewed, the workflow would halt, hampering project completion. There are also chances that later in the workflow, the project manager may have to delete certain media in order to allow the workflow to progress to next stages. Deleting a deliverable that was earlier uploaded would remove the media from the repository, thus rendering the efforts to go waste. Same is the case with deleting a task at some point in time of the workflow. In the interest of time, I have already created the project and tasks with appropriate deliverable. Here is a glimpse of the personas involved in this demo. Here is how this project would be seen in the project manager's portal before kicking off the project. These two are the active tasks. Let's look at the Gantt chart to have an overview of the tasks and media requirements. These two upload tasks would be active, and inside you can see the multiple deliverables that have been assigned against each task. Other tasks are not active because they are dependent on the upload task getting completed. Now, only after uploading all the media against each task, the respective review tasks would become active and be available for the reviewers to see the task and media in their respective portal. I have uploaded few media against each task and purposefully left few deliverable empty, meaning there is a delay from internal and external teams to complete their respective media content and upload against the other deliverable. Here, you are also able to see that the project has come to a halt because though there are few media files uploaded, the review tasks are still not active. Considering the high visibility of this project and the fact that the internal teams and the external agency are delaying other deliverable, the project manager has taken this to the notice of marketing VP. Now, the project manager can show the progress and also the media that is available as on date to the marketing VP. During the discussions, the marketing VP was impressed with the branding styles and product pictures and gives a go ahead to proceed to the next stages quickly without having to wait for other deliverable. Now the project manager can cancel the deliverables that have not yet been uploaded with media so that the review tasks become active. This would enable the reviewers to review whatever media has been uploaded and finalize few media for the layout team to start their work. The same is the case with tasks that are dependent on completion of other tasks. Here, in this case, the layout design team can start work only after design team has completed their task. In our case, since there is one or more deliverable in requested changes status within the task cannot move to completed stage. Hence, as a project manager, I can move this task to cancelled stage, which would allow the workflow to proceed without losing the media that have been uploaded against this task. Here, in the Assets menu, the project manager can view all the assets that are associated with this project. You can see that the states in which these assets are and also the version details of the assets. The project manager can also share these assets to required members later at any point in time using the Share Assets option. This way, the media that have been uploaded can be retained and reused later without losing the efforts and cost incurred in creating them. Hope this demo gave you an idea of how to use the cancel task and cancel deliverable feature within Acheron MPM. Let's meet up again in another sneak peek into our Acheron MPM. Want to have a detailed demonstration of our product? Feel free to reach out to us in the links below or shoot out an email to us. Thank you for watching this video.